Hi, in this video we will try to understand the concept of default constructor. In this example I have got a class book in which I have got two variables, string title and int number of pages. Now you can see in this particular class I do not have any methods or any constructors. So let's try to understand what is the concept of default constructor. In this particular class, which has a main method, I've created an object of my book. Now, if you see this book, my book is equal to new book. This particular section is set to be calling the default blank constructor. Now, what do we mean by default blank constructor? So in Java, there is a concept that if you're not specifying any constructor in your class, it will call a default constructor which does not have any implementation, and it will have all the variables with default values. So in this case, if you see, like I've just created this object and I'm just displaying the title and number of pages. Now if we execute this particular example, I'll save this. Okay. You can see that the value of title is null and the value of number of pages is 0. So in case of a default constructor, if I want to assign any value, I need to do it after the creation of the object. So here you can see I'm assigning my book.title is equal to hey God. So I'm assigning the value hey God to the title, and if I save this and run it, you can see that it is displaying hey God. Now in this concept, like when you are using a default constructor, you need to make sure that you assign all the values that are present. So it is a manual work where you have to take care that all the variables that you are declaring in your class book should be assigned values. So if I run this now, run as Java application, so it is showing hey God and 9. So this is how, if you are not declaring any constructor in your program, you should be assigning values in the main method or wherever you are creating the object. Thank you.